And for this video, I'm moving back to a Steve Good pattern. He calls this one candle stars. It's 3 layers. This is the back layer, and this is the middle layer, and then you got this decorative piece that fits on front of this. This is intended to be backlit. These holes I'll cut in here will correspond with the candle flames, and it's intended to be hung in a window in front of a light source, whatever, and give you an effect of backlighting the flames on the candles. And what I'm using for material, I'm repurposing something. You see, this used to be, I've got 2 of these. These were a display that I made for my wife. She used to make wire jewelry and various things like that, and take them to flea markets. And these were display boards. Well, we're not doing that anymore, so she gave me these, said I could repurpose it. And I'm going to try it because this one's already painted black, this one's white, so I'm just going to try to leave the paint on it, but try not to mess it up. And have this black, and then this white, and then this black on top of the white. And I told my wife, if we don't like it, we can always repaint it. But anyway, that's what we're going to do. I've taped it, I've mounted all the patterns, I got all the holes drilled. So now I'm going to take it to the saw and start cutting it, and we'll see what it looks like when we stack it together. Well, I've got it all 3 pieces cut out, and that's basically what it is. Now these are the colors that were on the wood as I started. I decided to leave it that way for now, and I'm not real unhappy with that. I like this being dark, but it's a little too monochromatic to me for Christmas. So what I've done, I've used this as a stencil, and I've marked these areas in here. Paint that yellow, paint those red, and the rest of this green. Then we'll see how that looks, and put a little more color on it for a Christmas item. And we'll leave that black for now. May change that later too, but we're going to take this step at a time. So let me paint that, and we'll see what it looks like. And so there it is put together. Got it all painted and glued together. This piece is not really about the color down here, it's about the light that shines behind it. And I'll put a picture of it on the end here of it in my front window, and you can probably use it either way, pointing in or pointing out at nighttime. You know, pointing in at the daytime, pointing out the nighttime so you see it from the outside. Whatever, as long as you get some light behind it, it makes those candles look like they're glowing, and the stars will glow against that black background. But that was a nice, fairly simple little project, and I really like the effect and the way it turned out. So if you like that, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. It's just some repurposed material to make this neat little Christmas decoration. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.